Dental implants have revolutionized dental care. It's what we call the second set of teeth. They're as much like your natural teeth as possible. They're permanent. They're titanium fixtures that fit in the bone and the teeth are attached to. There's a lot of positives for dental implants. They don't get decay, they rarely get gum disease, and if they're done properly by someone who knows what they're doing, they're meant to last a lifetime. They're an excellent way to replace teeth that are missing. If you have dentures are pieces of plastic that just sit on your gums. They are terrible as far as function, as far as looks. And patients who go from teeth to having dentures, they will tell you, these are not like my natural teeth. Dental implants are like your natural teeth. You can add implants underneath the dentures that the dentures attach to make more stability. You can get rid of the dentures and get fixed teeth again. So it's an excellent way to replace teeth that are missing.